channel. My name is Sarah. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Heatless Robecurls curling headband. Probably should have known the name. So I did a review on an Amazon version a few months back. I think it's been quite a while. And I will link that video if you want to check it out, because I have seen these things all over TikTok of these heatless curling headbands that you wrap your hair around and then you sleep in it or you wear it throughout the day. And when you take it out, you have these amazing bouncy looking curls. And I saw a lot of stuff in comment sections that you could just get a cheap one from Amazon. You don't actually have to get like the name brand one or whatever, and it'll do just fine. So I did buy that, and that is what I have a video on. If you had watched that video, you know that this did not actually work out for me. It's very flimsy, which I initially thought was a good thing because I thought like, oh, that'll feel comfier when I sleep in it, but then it kept falling out of my hair, and I think it needed to be a little bit more stiff in order to create the curls, because when I would take it out in the morning, my hair was just like nothing. Like this really was not worth it. So I haven't used it since I filmed that video. I did keep the scrunchies because those are good, so at least I got something. So a month or two ago, the brand Robecurls sent me their product to try out for a review for my TikTok, and that's already been posted to my TikTok. So that's been on TikTok. I also posted about it on Instagram because I ended up really liking this. Not being sponsored, not being paid to say that. I genuinely like this. So I thought I would turn it into a YouTube video because I think the failure that was the last video with the Amazon purchase one, I'd love to show you one that actually works and does the job and that I have been consistently using even after I did the collaboration on TikTok. Testing out this product, honestly, I went into it super skeptical because of my experience with the Amazon one, but this does have quite a different feel than the Amazon one. How that one I said is very flimsy, this one's a lot stiffer. It feels like there's some kind of wiring in here, which I think definitely helps for adding curls. The material inside feels a little thicker, a little bit more stable. So I'm going to be showing you how I use this, what the curls look like on both my naturally curly hair as well as my heat treated hair. I like straightened and curled my hair with a flat iron days ago, so it does still have like that smoothness, and I will be using this tonight to show you how I get my curls. But then I also will do an option where I just take my naturally curly hair and then I put this in and see how it helps form those curls. I tried that as well for the Amazon one and it didn't work either way. So excited to try it with my natural hair. I actually didn't try natural hair for the TikTok, so this will be new. This one on the Robecurls website, it's made of satin. It comes with 2 scrunchies that you use to help secure the hair, and it is selling for $28. So it is more pricey, but it actually works, and in my opinion, it's worth the money if it's going to save my hair from further damage, because my hair is crispy. So I will be wearing it tonight. I will be showing you how I put it on, how it looks in. So you should keep watching. You should also like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more beauty, lifestyle, hair videos like this, and let's go. Okay, day number 1, I have my naturally curly hair right now. It's still like a tiny bit damp from when I washed it, but it's mostly dry. And I'm gonna be trying for the first day the Robecurls curler on my natural hair to see how it takes my curls from this to what it ends up looking like in the morning. So before I put it in, I'm going to use this shea butter and coconut oil hair serum from Trader Joe's. Sometimes I like to just put a serum in my hair before bed so it just kind of soaks in. Really like Trader Joe's hair products, like this one, as well as their argan oil hair oil that they have. Amazing and so cheap, and my hair really needed that because it just soaked it right up. I think the wire is getting like bent up within this, so what I'll just sometimes do is just like pull it all along so it kind of evens out. I don't think it really matters because this is longer than I end up actually needing for my hair, but it's something I do. Also, I don't know where the wire is supposed to sit. It's kind of moving around within this, but as long as it's in the front, I think that that's all that matters. Other people might have their ways of rolling their hair like this, but this is the method that Robecurls actually recommended in like their tutorial video, and it's been working for me. I also don't make it like absolutely perfect, because even if it's not like, I don't know, the exact pattern I'm supposed to do, it still ends up looking really good. Okay, got one side down. Give it a little twist back. Then I'll show you what I do. I kind of wrap these around like that so it stays put. You don't have to do that if that's gonna like irritate you while you sleep. You definitely don't have to. I just like to do that for ease. You can also just kind of like do that, and really, since the wire is there, it sticks, so it doesn't really have any issues. That is what we have so far, and I'll come back and show you in the morning what it looks like. Ironically, I think this is the same shirt I wore for the knockoff Robecurls from Amazon I got. All right, it is nighttime and it is time to roll these curls. So first, I'm going to comb my hair out so I can get any tangles out before creating the curls. And then you want to take the headband with the wire will be like closer to one side. The wire is sitting down here, and up here it's more just like of the comfy foam. So you want the wire to be facing the front. So I'm splitting my hair down the back just so it kind of stays put on this side. I'm just gonna wrap it like that for now while I do this side. So, and then pretty simple, you just take hair and wrap it around, grab some more, almost like a French braid, wrap it around, grab some more hair, wrap it around. And I mean, you could experiment with different kinds of ways of wrapping it to get different curls. Like I thought about trying to do like a normal braid, like using this as if it's like a piece of hair. I haven't done that yet, but you could get creative. I don't know how they turn out, but, and also if you want to do less pieces for like bigger curls or smaller pieces so that you have more curls, like it's really up to you. Once we get to the end, I push it up a little bit so that way I get just like more curl added in there. And then you want to take the scrunchie that they give you and tie that around a few times, strapping the hair to the rope curler. So it's like that and it stays put. And do the same thing on this side. And this should work if you have short hair, long hair, because like I have medium hair and there's still a good amount left, and you can just push it up even more if you do have really long hair. So I feel like this would still work. And I've noticed that even when I'm not like super good about making this like absolutely perfect, it still looks good. And that is what we have. Okay, so it is later in the day from the last clip, and I just wanted to show you how the curls look after they've sat throughout the day. So they do loosen up a bit more than when you heat style your hair. However, also keep in mind, I was outside today, so humidity loosened the curls. I had my hair up a few times, but the curls, they're still there, and I think it still looks really nice. I mean, I'd still be fine going out like this. And honestly, I really like the kind of looser curl look. I'll kind of heat style my hair to look like a tighter curl, hoping that it loosens up throughout the day and gives me like longer, more like wave type curls. So just wanted to show my hair. I actually took it out of my hair about 12 hours ago, so this is 12 hours of wear. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Obviously, they're not exactly the same as heat styled curls, but it's a great alternative to reduce the damage on your hair, as well as if you like don't have time to do your hair the following day, if you have to get up early or something, it's really easy to just put in the curlers. It takes like 2 minutes and then your hair is ready for the next day. So I will leave a link to the Robecurls item down below in the description. I will also link the one I bought from Amazon. Not that I'm recommending it, but if you just want to like check it out, compare the two, see how they're different. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like if you enjoyed it or found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, thank you for your support, and I will hopefully see you in my next video.